being right is not our business. What we do instead is we position our trades. The symmetric out-of-the-money butterfly, 0 days to expiration, when we enter it where structure says price is likely to travel with the entire risk defined and paid at entry. So we're not trying to predict because we don't know if today's going to be the day that we're going to get the big win. But if we place a trade in such a way that the big win will get captured if it goes there. That's the butterfly tent. And if it doesn't, our risk is paid for. It's super small. The amount that we paid for the debit is our loss. We already know it before we even start. But we know that if it goes against us, it's a loss. If it goes towards us, there's a chance that we might make the big kahuna. But more than likely, we're going to make a small profit that will outstrip the losses that we take. And every once in a while, we don't even have to try. It'll move into that profit tent and make the big win. And that's it. That's the whole downside and upside. See, by taking that small risk, it's known before the trade exists, and nothing possible can happen afterwards to change it. There is no single day, no market crash that could ever hurt us because we never take a loss that would allow it. See, when you're in the other game, you're banking on that. You're hoping it won't, but when it does, it's going to bite you because you're allowing for it. In our case, we never allow for it. So by defining your risk up front, that buys you freedom and by allowing you to stop managing risk and start instead managing profit, which is really the only management that matters. And quite frankly, it puts you in a completely different mindset over high win rate strategies where all you're ever doing is managing risk. And it's gotta be so tiring. And then going through the ups and downs and then the big losses or nice steady wins and then bam, you just wiped out 2 weeks of profit. That never happens to us, ever. We're either going sideways or we're going up. And when it goes in our direction, we're managing profit. We're managing the profitable side. Now, I'm not saying that there isn't a little bit of anxiety every once in a while if you're not managing it just perfectly or well, or you're being a dumbass. But one thing I can say is we're not worried about it when it goes the other way either. And now we're always looking at the bright side, not the dark side. So by doing this, you're paying for the asymmetry. By taking that small tiny risk and then also allowing for small and medium and the runner, the big trades, you're totally paying for all of that risk. And then the structure, it's what returns those big profits. Sometimes 9, 10, 20, 30 times the risk. I've had some trades that have returned as much as 50 times the risk that I've taken. And it can be more depending on how the move develops or the strategy that you use. It all depends on that amount of risk that you take.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.